lwa myamwela kuzowa kwa amazi mwangala abulozi eri kumusa kayona kinako hape lomitisiza nga litukiso za Makande Mwa Silozi mielu kakenela fela malitoho epanga Makande vo MAKAI vo NAWA ni vo MUBIKA BAZWILE MUBANO LIKETISA vo TOMBI BAHANILE KULUZA LIKETISA MOMONGO SENTRO vo SITALI BAIZE MABOTELO NASIYO HANDE kubatu BABAPILA ni BUYANGA ni Makande kakutala kina Mike Moya vene vaipapata kuyemela Mongu Central mwandu ya milao mwakopano ya United Party for National Development UPND kapukusani vo MAKAI BAZWILE MUBANO LIKETISA kali nepo ze kumafa 19,157 votes tibahazo yali nepo nevireteni la 14 August silimo ona se kibaza maisi vo Jones Yangandu mi vo Gwalela Masuka bafumanili nepo ze kumafa 9,256 vo Bright Tombi bakopano ya NRPUP bafumani 1,690 nako lichwalo vomvita nawa bakopano ya United Party for National Development UPND BAZWILE MUBANO LIKETISA za kuyemela Mongu East mwandu ya milao kopano ya UPND ingileli pula zeng'ata muli vakati sona sina Shangombo ni Sesheken.
After citizens have casted their votes on August 13, 2026 across the country, parliamentary results have officially been declared for Mongu Central and Mongu East constituencies. MAKAI has scooped the Mongu Central constituency MP seat from the UPND party with 19,157 votes. Gwalela Masuka, an independent candidate, has obtained 9,256 votes, and Bright Tombi and the NRPUP party with 1,690 votes.
Tombi, NRPUP, 1,690. Gwalela Masuka, independent, 9,256. MAKAI, UPND, 19,000.
In Mongu East constituency, which is among the newly created, NAWA has scooped the parliamentary seat from the UPND party with 11,537 votes, whilst his opponent, Makande Mwa has obtained 2,070 votes. Nchimonya Siaminwe, Bulozi TV News, Mongu, Western Province.
BABAPILA zuyikuwina LIKETISA za kuyemela Mongu Central mwandu ya milao vo TOMBI batalusize kuli kusawina kwa bona akusikava kanzila yotolohile vo TOMBI vaone vaipapata mwakopano ya NRPUP batalusize kuli bayoyeli babona ne baze basabiswa kili membala za kopano ya UPND nako ya bwipapati maneni nako ya LIKETISA baikelize kufama mela kuli abanakulumela kusabiswa kutoloka kuli yena kafela yakabalatelela kwa lapala bona kamulelo wa kuholofaza ubona kapa lubasi lwa bona uswanila kuitukiseza kuli bakaitamulela.
For Tombi, the outcome of the Mongu Central parliamentary race may have been a defeat on paper, but he says it is not a result he is prepared to accept without question. The former NRPUP parliamentary candidate has raised concerns over what he describes as intimidation of his supporters during the election period. Tombi alleges that some NRPUP members and supporters were intimidated by individuals simply for openly supporting his candidature.
It's come with a lot of intimidation. It is a loss that has come with infringing people's rights. So, if me have lost, there are a lot of people who have lost behind me. Who knows how I can perform? I was not going there strictly for benefits, because God has given me hands to work for myself. But I was going there to render a service which has not been shown, which has not been seen for some past few years in Mongo. Only at the time when we were there ourselves, that's when we realized tangible development. But with this CDF, we have not seen anything. I'm saying that my loss is not something that has come in a normal way. Because one, when we're during campaigns, people were intimidated that if they vote for the opposition, they will not get social cash transfer. They were ferrying people everywhere where we were doing meetings, ferrying them to have meetings for social cash transfer.
Despite losing the election, Tombi insisted that he entered the race fully aware that victory or defeat were both possible outcomes.
When you go into an election, there are two things involved. There is a win and a lose. And I went into this election full prepared of any outcome, though there is no one who goes in with the hope of losing, no.
Meanwhile, he said he will not allow himself or his family to be intimidated, particularly by anyone he believes may attempt to follow him home with the intention of causing harm.
So if the elections have come and the results are known, let them celebrate peacefully, not coming to my home. Because I'm a human being who is also not going to wait to be intimidated, even at my own place, or damage my properties. Whoever is going to be sent to come to my place, I will not accept to be intimidated over nothing. If the election have come, they have gone. I will not accept my properties to be damaged. I will also defend myself to the latter, in which way possible, because I have not injured anyone. It was my democratic right to stand. And I want to say it openly that I'm there for the community. I will not accept to be intimidated anyhow. And I'll still continue to work for Mongo Central.
He also affirmed that he remains a member of the community who will not hesitate to meaningfully intervene and render services to the community. Mike Moya, for Bulozi TV News in Mongo District, Western Province.
Vaone baipapata kakwichemela vo Iris Kaingu bakonele kuwina LIKETISA za kuyemela sibakasa mwandu ya melao asamulaho wakufumana linepo zekumafa 6,595 kufita bosi beso sefulo bakopano ya UPND. Nyakuli chwalo, mwamulobezi bene baipapata kakwichemela hape vo Hastings Sililo nibona bakonele kuwina spula mwandu ya melao.
Mwandu District do hereby declare that I have in accordance with the law accepted the results of constituency and that have been given to Sefulo K. Sibeso UPND 6110 6,110, Kaingu Iris Independent 6,595. I further declare that a total of 79 ballot papers have been rejected as invalid, and that a total of 12,784 votes were cast. I therefore declare that the said Kaingu K. Iris to be this day elected this 15th day of August 2026. My signature has been appended. Thank you.
I, Mwiya Kabangu, being the returning officer from Mulobezi constituency, Mulobezi district, do hereby declare that I have, in accordance with the law, ascertained the results of the poll in the said constituency, and that they have been given to Kalaluka Satea NRPUP 179, Musialela Fabian Independent 401, Sililo J Satuvi Independent 1246, Zambwechi Mwenda UPNG 5393, Sililo Hastings Independence 6,300.
Vomwina spula kuyemela batu babapila ni buyanga mwa LIKETISA Mongo batalusize kuli vung'ata bwali bakaza kuvotera teni mwa Bulozi nelisafi tiwi hande kivatu BABAPILA ni BUYANGA. Wambola mangambolo ya faluwaile ni Bulozi TV vo Abraham SITALI batalusize kuli vung'ata bwa miyaho mwa sikiriti nelilikolo zeo nelisakoni kulumeleza kuzama ya katukota twa kuzamaila teni yona ma walking sticks nilipula za kuzamaila yona ma wheelchair ilitava yeo itatafalize kukona kuvota hande kwa vatu BABAPILA ni BUYANGA. Vaikelize kutalusa kuli vatu BABAPILA ni BUYANGA ne basikaveyiwa mwa mihupulo kikatengo kakabona za LIKETISA kona ka Electoral Commission of Zambia hane kuketiwa livakaza kuvotela teni mwa Bulozi.
So most of the programs went well. It's just the issue that the challenge is that the infrastructure, the place, it wasn't good for people with disability like who are using crutches, wheelchairs and tricycles, including walking canes. So they didn't have lap steps and they have long steps. So unless that person to be carried using a wheelchair to enter inside, and the doors are small. So looking over that, like brow jackets, yes, they are there. Like me, I signed using a brow jacket. But over the issues of interpreters for the deaf, they didn't have. And most, I started at Mukoko UCZ Church, and I went to Mukoko Primary School. So Mukoko Primary School, it's a good place, and they have lap steps, and people with disability are able to enter. It's just the challenge of the interpreters for the deaf. They don't have. So we look at the number of persons with abilities were left behind, and even the issues of Bill number 7, it looks like they never followed it well. So we had a problem, and after that I went to Kashito, where they are voting people there, and I find the same challenge. So I looked at this for people with disabilities as us, we are not really put into consideration because we are left behind. So stigmatization and segregation, it was there. So that's why I had to advise my fellow colleagues, wherever they were voting from, please do early and go early home, because most of the infrastructure, the environment, it wasn't good. But most of people, if you are disabled, they see you, you have to go in and vote early. But I'm talking over the issues of infrastructures.
Lukaishumusa ainyani mihaluka kuta lukazula pili matukso yaluna.
Bulozi TV is the only commercial television station domiciled in Mangu of Western Province, Zambia, providing homegrown broadcasting. We are licensed by the Independent Broadcasting Authority (IBA) and carried by TopStar on DTT channel 120. We are also on Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, TikTok and WhatsApp channel. Our news is factual, balanced and delivered on time in 3 languages: English, Simbunda and Silozi. Our programs range from talk shows, entertainment shows, personality, cultural heritage, political shows, local drama and soaps, children's shows, community live broadcast and many more. Call the station manager to advertise your business on 0975 210 218 or 0764 907 921, or email us on bulozitv@gmail.com. We are situated in Mbuyuwana compound off Kagrava Road in Mangu. Bulozi TV, the pride of Barotse.
Healthness Medical Center, nurturing health, empowering lives. At Healthness Medical Center, we provide high-quality, accessible healthcare for individuals, families, and the wider community in Mangu and beyond. We focus on preventive care, offering blood pressure, diabetes and cholesterol checks, HIV counseling and testing, and community health education programs. Our outpatient and maternal child health services support families with general consultations, antenatal and postnatal care, child growth and monitoring, nutrition counseling, and family planning. Our laboratory services provide routine tests, rapid diagnostics, and selected specialized tests, while our pharmacy ensures timely access to medicines with professional guidance. HealthNest is also here during emergencies, providing 24/7 care, stabilization, first aid, and referral services supported by rapid diagnostics and ready access to medicines. We help with recovery and rehabilitation through physiotherapy for children and adults, including clubfoot, fractures, cerebral palsy, neurological conditions, and soft tissue injuries. Our diagnostic services such as ultrasound and ECG help monitor progress, and ongoing preventive care supports long-term health. At HealthNest Medical Center, we combine quality, compassion, and reliable care to nurture health and empower lives. You can locate us at 53120 Lusaka Road, Kambule, 7488 Mongu. Contact us on +260 926521. Our website www.healthnestmd.com. HealthNest Medical Center, nurturing health, empowering lives.
Bulozi TV brings Azam to Western Province. Your favorite entertainment is now closer than ever. Get your Azam TV full kit from Bulozi TV for only 589 kwacha and enjoy 2 months free subscription. Watch over 150 channels featuring live sports, blockbuster movies, kids shows, drama.
Happy because you see, we are connected now.
Hello, Jack.
Choose the package that suits you with the Azam Pure, going at only 100 kwacha with over 110 channels. Azam Plus at only 200 kwacha with over 130 channels, and Azam Play at only 300 kwacha with over 150 channels. Visit Bulozi TV today and get connected to affordable quality entertainment. Bulozi TV, your trusted home for Azam TV in Western Province.
Lwitumezi kuinanuname lwaikeza babaiterezi katengo ka Center for Peace Research and Advocacy vo Clifton chifuwe babonsize pilailo kwamana ni mifirifiri yene vireteni mu makululu ya Lusaka. Kwambola kwa Bulozi TV vo chifuwe batolokile mifirifiri ye kuba bumayi mibafile pizo kwa sichaba kuli bakone kulumeleza katengo ka Electoral Commission of Zambia ECZ kabukuswani kuzwela pili ni msebezi wakona kusina kupaliliswa. Bataluze kuli katengo kasonera kufiwa sivaka saa kweza msebezi ili kubona kuli kwaba ni kozo mwanaha.
Take control of the electoral process as it was. So we want to call upon the citizens of this country. Let us remain calm and peaceful and allow the process to take its course. If we now continue into what we are witnessing in Lusaka, I think we may end up seeing an election that is delayed. And that's very concerning because it affects the stability and security of the country. So we want to call upon the citizens of this country. Let us remain calm and peaceful and allow the process to take its course.
Katengo ka Medical for Quality Healthcare in Zambia kafile pizo kwali kolola makete kutunufaza litutu kwa manani butuku bwa diabetes ase bubakozi mwanaha Zambia. Pizo ye itaha asamula wanaha kuva ni kukula kwa litava za butuku onavo zihulu yona type 2. Mwangambolo ni Bulozi TV babaitelezi katengo ka vo Dr. Chris Mwavu batalusize kuli chaba basonera kuitatubisa nako ninako bakensa kuli butuku onavo bukona kukenela mutu kusina kubonsali supo. Vaikelize kutalusa kuli kunani butokwa bwakuva nilitatuvo zebunolo mwanaha kaufela.
Is increasingly becoming a serious public health concern in the country. Well, some people are at greater risk because of family history and other factors. Changes in lifestyles and health, dietary practices physical inactivity, and increasing levels of overweight and obesity are among the factors contributing to the growing burden of type 2 diabetes. So members of the public should therefore take greater responsibility for their health by reducing excessive consumption of sugary drinks and highly processed foods, moderating portion of starch foods, increasing the intake of vegetables and other fiber-rich foods.
Delali babuhi baluna likoni ekulu fitsa kwa amafelelezo atukso ya luna miluka ikupuza hape litoho zene panga makande. Wo MAKAI wo NAWA ni MUBIKA BAZWILE MUBANO mwa LIKETISA. Wo TOMBI BAHANILE KULUZA LIKETISA mwa Mongo Central. Wo SITALI BAIZE MABOTELO NASIYO HANDE kwa batu BABAPILA ni BUYANGA. Mwakona kubuha tukso ye nili tukso za luna kafela fa TopStar channel 120 mwali bakaza sona sina mongo ni mulunga nalolo lusaka chongwe chilanga libakazemu mwasenanga lufusa mane nilibakaze nzi mabapa kapa mwakona kulufumana fa likepela luna la Facebook lona la Bulozi TV fapila bomanjenera kina Mike Moya minili kozo.